I was on the Walmart app looking at phones to buy for, well, the channel right now, and today I decided to go with the most affordable, the most inexpensive device on the website. As the title of the video states, this device was around $20, $19.98 to be exact, but here's the weird thing about it. It was not $19.98 for me. This device was way more than that. This device was around $25 because if you do not have $35 in your shopping cart, well, then you have to pay a little extra more for this device to get to your house. And that sucked. What I'm not happy with this device is Wi-Fi is not available until the device is activated on the Verizon network. So I'm actually kind of afraid. Did I just spend 25 bucks on a useless piece of crap? Let's take a look at it and see. This video might end pretty darn soon if I legitimately cannot have this device in Wi-Fi because, well, that's going to be a little tough for me. I'm probably going to set up a 1-month free trial or something like that. Dang it, there's still a little on, but whatever. Let's see if there's a charge outside of the box. Not that bad of a bezel, if you ask me. Of course, the device could be better, but for now, let's just have it like it is right now. There is a screen protector that you can take off. It's going to fall off eventually, so I might as well just take it off now. Please wait while we prepare your phone. Please like and subscribe if you want to have more technology videos, but also, this video is a warning for everybody to not buy the TCL 33 whatever because it's a piece of crap. You have to actually get this activated through a SIM plan to get it going. Yikers, buddy. Yikers. Straight talk, more like straight butt. I can't say what I actually want to say because this YouTube channel is more like, advertiser friendly.